Good morning, seventh period. I apologize that I could not be there today live. I just wanted to go over your assignment today. So you're going to go into modules, and today we are starting the digestive system. So you can always check the agenda, but it is digestive system part 1 is what you're going to click on. Okay, you're going to take a little quiz today, so go ahead and open that. All right, so our learning target today is I can describe the structures and functions of the digestive system. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down the food you eat into usable energy, all right? Because the pancakes that you had for breakfast need to be broken down further before your cells can use them. So you're going to open up 2 things. One, you're going to send these digestive system notes to Notability, or you could do them on paper. And then you're also going to open up this slideshow. Okay, so these are the notes. So you're going to be filling these out today. Please note that today you're only filling out number 1, 2, 7, and 8. We're not doing the entire digestive system, okay? So 1, 2, 7, and 8. Then you're going to open up the slideshow. We are only looking at slides 1 through 8 today. Okay, so digestive system, what happens to our food? The functions of the digestive system are to digest or break down food into smaller pieces. Okay, so kind of like chopping it up. Absorption, that's where the nutrients enter like a sponge, water entering a sponge. It gets absorbed into the bloodstream. Elimination, any of the material that you ingest that cannot be used by your body gets removed as waste, like poop. So there are 2 types of digestion. There's chemical and physical. Okay, so chemical, physical, or mechanical are the same thing. So chemical digestion is when you break something down into its pieces and you create something new. So for example, if you take a sub and you break it down chemically, you're going to break it down into the carbohydrates and the fats and the proteins that it's made of. Okay, but it's no longer a sandwich. Physical breakdown, it's still a sandwich, it's just in smaller pieces when you cut it up. Here's more about the difference between chemical and mechanical. So chemical is the use of chemicals to break down food. Usually that's things like acids and enzymes. It starts in the mouth, so with your saliva, and it continues throughout the system. Mechanical digestion is when you physically break down food into smaller pieces. So this begins in the mouth with chewing. Think about your teeth and your tongue. And then it goes to the stomach to actually be churned up into smaller pieces. This is an image of all of the parts. So this is going to be helpful for you to fill out in your notes. All right. I want to note that esophagus, please spell it just with an E-S-O-P-H, A-G-U-S, not an O. It's kind of a funky spelling. The other thing that's not labeled here that is on your notes, number 2, are your salivary glands. And those produce saliva, which help in the chemical breakdown of your food. So number 2 are your salivary glands, and those are under your tongue. So we are going to look at the mouth, esophagus, and stomach today. So the mouth is where digestion starts. The teeth and tongue break your food into smaller pieces. That is, mechanical digestion. The saliva chemically breaks down your food. That is chemical digestion. Then your food goes into your esophagus. This is the tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. And the way that you can get that food, down into your stomach is through this muscle contraction called peristalsis. So this peristalsis is a wave-like contraction, and there is a video of it here. All right, so that is how you can get food into your stomach even upside down. Okay, so it goes into your stomach. This is a muscular J-shaped pouch, and in this stomach, your food is broken down into smaller pieces, so that's mechanical. But then acids also break it down into the amino acids. That's chemical digestion. And we are going to stop there today. Let me know if you have any questions. After you've done the notes, you're going to do the quiz. Good luck, guys.